Hello everyone, my name is Aki Curtis. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about how to build an epic capsule wardrobe that will last you for years. Let's delve into it. First of all, what is a capsule wardrobe? A capsule wardrobe is a mini closet made out of really versatile pieces that can mix and match with one another to create many outfits. Think of it as an essential wardrobe that will last you all year round. They are versatile, they are classics, they are anything but boring. Shouldn't be boring at all. Boring is such a dangerous word. Because if you think that your wardrobe is boring, that means you're not excited about it. There's no la pasión. That means you don't want to go near it. That means you will end up with nothing to wear.
Oh no!
And then when you have nothing to wear, you will go shopping. And then you will end up buying something mediocre because it might be on sale, it was cheap, but it was not your best choice. 2 weeks later, you still have nothing to wear. We don't want that. We're trying to avoid this situation. So, what are your essentials? What are your wardrobe must-haves? Everybody's essentials are different depending on their lifestyle, the type of work that they do. For example, I'm a photographer and an art director. I wear a lot of black outfit when I'm doing photography jobs. But when I go to meetings and events and things like that, I tend to wear a lot of smart casuals, a lot of blazers, a lot of dresses, and a lot of heels that are somewhat comfy. I like to look taller when I'm asking for money. And then during my off duties, I wear a lot of comfy clothes that is still smart because I live in town and the chances of me bumping into client is really high. I'm the kind of person who likes to wear t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and shorts when I'm off duty. But I will still try to look smart even though I'm just taking out the trash. Taking down the trash, let me grab a blazer. So this is my capsule wardrobe, my essential, everyday essentials that I go to, especially when I'm in a rush and don't have time to think about what kind of clothes I should put together. I have included some tops, bottoms, outerwear, as well as some bags and shoes that are timeless, versatile, and fun. Because who wants boring shoes?
Nobody ever speaks.
Later on, I will also put together a styling session so that you can envision how easy it is to put together an outfit with the help of a capsule wardrobe. I'm gonna start off by introducing some essential tops. I love a good classic with a twist. For me, white t-shirt can't be just plain white t-shirt. Spaghetti top can't be just boring spaghetti top. This is my favorite black t-shirt because I have very narrow shoulder and very short upper body. I like to pick something with a shoulder pad, give me a bit more. And then vest. Vest is a good to have for any capsule wardrobe because it can turn any casual into smart casual. Same with blazers, good to have. Next, my white t-shirts. Okay, look at this. Look at how cool this white t-shirt is. T-shirt and jeans, never be boring again with this. And this is my favorite graphic tee. It's from Dior. I bought it secondhand from Vestiaire Collective and it's amazing with jeans. It just makes the t-shirt and jeans look very expensive. And sometimes I like to style this t-shirt with a tank top like this to create that Parisian vibe. Now I want to talk about shirts. Shirts are another wardrobe staples as they are perfect for any casual and business occasions. This is more of a casual shirt, but you can wear it to work too. Look at the back. This is from Balenciaga in 2016, I think. And it's such a good investment piece. This is amazing to wear by itself. Otherwise, you can also layer this with a blazer and it looks amazing. White shirt wise, I have these two. This is from Linus, an Australian brand. And because I have a short torso, this is perfect on me. I just love the waist tying detail. It's really cool. So if you happen to see a good basic with a twist, get them. Now, if you ask me, can I include colorful pieces into my capsule wardrobe? Why not? Color can be timeless and versatile too. Okay, let's summarize this. Finding tops that are well-shaped and unique is the pathway to create a capsule wardrobe that you will love. Now let's talk about the essential bottoms. We all know that t-shirt and jeans is a forever combo. So let's have a few of those in our capsule wardrobe. I have baggy jeans, skinny jeans, white jeans, and denim skirts, because why not? Now let's talk about other essential bottoms. Essential bottoms. That sounds awful. Essential bottom. Oh, you know what I mean. Summer must have, winter must have. Black pants must have, black leggings also must have. I have like 2 pairs of this because they go so well with so many tops. Must have as well. Different colorways because we love options. Okay, next, I want to show you something slightly different. These are something of my personal favorite. I have a thing for pants and skirts with adjustable waistline. I call them my eat all you can staples. So one of them being this skirt. This is a skirt from Storage ages ago. But what I love about this is it is a beautiful style that I love. And also it's adjustable waist, which means even my weight fluctuates. I can still wear them. That's why it has lasted me for many, many years. So, if you see any skirts or pants with adjustable waistline that fits your personal style, get them. Also, look at this pants.
Is that Velcro?
I know what you're thinking. Velcros are for 5 years old. But look at how amazing this looks. Adjustable, amazing. Before I forget, I would also recommend getting a few simple dresses that would work for different occasions, for the days that you just don't have the headspace to think about outfit pairing. Next, I want to talk about some coats, because you can't have a beautiful outfit and cover it with a shitty coat. Coats are one of those wardrobe staples that I would invest money into getting a quality version. I like something well-shaped, structured, so that I look more polished. Here are some examples. I have 3 essential coats, black and brown. This is from Max Mara, this is from Burberry, and this one is from a French brand called Zadig and Voltaire. These coats can be worn as it is, or you can jazz it up with different belts. Next, let me show you a few examples of bags and shoes you can include in your capsule wardrobe. Black and brown, I feel, is the most versatile colors. It kind of covers all bases when it comes to all sorts of outfit, whether it's like casual, business, or evening. I feel that you can't go wrong with these. And if all else fails, that's my go-to. Yeah, this tiny useless thing. but it's not as useless as you thought. I love it so much. Essential shoes wise, I feel that you can have a variety of neutral tone, black, white, sneakers, boots, and then you should have everything that you need. Personally, I like something a little bit interesting or fun, so that's why I go for something like this or something like this. Strapless heels wise, I feel that you can't go wrong with these. Simple, versatile, comfy. But if I feel like a little diva, this is what I go to. Look at this. So yeah, these are my essential shoes. Okay, enough of showing you things. A capsule wardrobe are supposed to be very versatile and helpful to put together everyday outfits. So let's put this into a styling test. Okay, I'm gonna imagine some scenario. Where are we going? Where are we going? Running errands. Let's do this. T-shirt and jeans. Look at the neckline, minus this disgusting white. Look at this shape. That's cool, right? That's what I'm talking about. Classic with a twist. Bag.
Maybe too floor.
That works, eh? Ta-da! Outfit ready, out of the house. Okay, next outfit. Where are we going? Where are we going? Lunch? Lunch with friends. Smart casual, smart casual, smart casual. Ooh, I have an idea. This Jacquemus top, pants, leather pants. Ta-da! I'm back. Look how amazing this Jacquemus top. Such a great fashion find. Woo! Hair up. Ta-da! Yeah, I think that looks much cleaner. Bag. Shoes. Let's go with these Zara. Ta-da! What do you think? Okay, next challenge. Client meeting. Blazer. This top, blazer, and pants.
Get changed.
Okay, that's a look. That's a look. Oh, can you tell that these trousers are quite big on me? And I got them because I love the colors. So, if you have a pair of pants that are too big, this is what you can do. Shoelaces. So now, it's perfect size. And I'm gonna cover this up with a blazer. Okay, shoes and bags. Yep. Ta-da! And that's me. Good to go. Okay, one last challenge. Date night with the husband. Of course, can't forget about him. What do I wear? Little magical black dress. See what I meant about dresses that you can just throw on and look like $1 million? This is one of them. Shoes wise, I would normally go for this, but because I have tried these for a few outfits, I'm gonna go for this one. Ta-da! I'm ready to stop traffic. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. A capsule wardrobe like this has helped me to stay stylish on a day-to-day basis. I just need to update it every season, see what needs to sell, what doesn't fit me anymore, but pretty low maintenance overall. As I grow older, I also feel that my capsule wardrobe still stay pretty much the same. I still like the same colors, I still like the same style. It's just better quality items as I can afford to invest a little bit more. That's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Ciao.